In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add captions in Synthesia. Start by opening your browser and searching for Synthesia. Look for the official site, then open it. On the home page, choose Log In to access your account. Once you're in, open the project you want to work on and launch it in the Synthesia editor. You'll see your scene canvas in the center with controls around it. At the top of the page, select Captions. This turns on the captions layer for your video and gives you everything you need to style and time the on-screen text. Right away, pick a caption style that fits your content. Think of this like a starting theme. It sets the basic look and spacing, and you can refine it from there so it matches your brand or the tone of your video. Use the inspector panel on the right to customize the details. Choose a font that's easy to read, adjust the size so it's legible on both desktop and mobile, and set your colors. You can change the background color behind the text color itself, and the active word highlight color. High contrast is important for accessibility. Dark text on a light box or light text on a dark box usually works best. Keep lines to roughly 30 to 40 characters where possible to avoid crowded captions. For movement and emphasis, pick one of the motion presets. Karaoke gradually changes the color word by word, which helps viewers follow along with the narration. Highlight keeps everything visible while subtly emphasizing the current word. Reveal brings in the text progressively, ideal for a cleaner, more minimal look. Impact is bolder and more attention-grabbing if you want captions to double as on-screen titles. Choose the option that supports your content without distracting from it. Position your captions directly on the canvas. Drag the caption box to where you want it and resize the frame as needed, just like any other text or image element. Keep captions inside safe margins, avoid covering faces or important visuals, and center them horizontally for consistency. If your background is busy, slightly increase the background opacity, or add a soft shadow to maintain readability. That's it. Your captions are styled, animated, and placed. With these settings, you'll deliver a polished, accessible video that viewers can follow effortlessly, even with the sound off. Before you wrap up, review the scene once more to confirm timing and readability across cuts, tweak colors and motion to match your brand, and continue your edit.